AME presents AMESPHERE VISTA, the anti-collision system that detects, displays, and alerts in real time to any potential hazard. The solution consists of 3 cameras, an LPS sensor, and a tablet that displays all alerts and enables easy system configuration based on operational needs. The cameras detect personnel moving within the risk area around the vehicle, generating an alert that can also be linked to an automatic slowdown. The operating mode is chosen by the customer with the goal of minimizing driver distraction and keeping their attention focused on driving. The presence and position of operators can be shown through colored icons, yellow for pre-warning and red for warning, or through the live video feed from the camera. Another system feature allows the driver, during a maneuver, to tap the display icon and access a 10-second live camera feed, ensuring full visibility of the area around the vehicle. The vehicle-to-vehicle anti-collision function is based on LPS technology, which ensures the detection of other vehicles, even in non-visible zones such as blind spots or lane entrances. This enables the driver to anticipate danger and react promptly, ensuring safe and controlled operation. LPS technology can be configured either in area mode or adaptive mode, depending on operational requirements. In area mode, the system defines 2 alert zones, pre-warning and warning. When a vehicle enters the risk area, the system triggers a visual and audible alert and can automatically reduce the vehicle's speed. The high precision of LPS technology ensures that the system intervenes only when needed, avoiding false alarms or unnecessary slowdowns. In adaptive mode, the system automatically adjusts the detection range according to speed, direction, and other parameters, ensuring alerts are issued only for actual hazards. When 2 vehicles approach each other, the area adapts to the actual risk level, calculating the braking distance required to prevent a collision. AMESPHERE VISTA, technology designed to enhance the safety and efficiency of people and vehicles.